How to use any video as ringtone in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open phone app, click on three dots more option, click on settings. Now click on call background. Now here you will see background. Now click on background. Now here you will see video, pictures or wallpaper. Select video that you want to use any video as ringtone. Select video. After selecting video, here you will see use video sound as ringtone. And if you want to use video sound as ringtone, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, use video song as ringtone from your phone. This is how you can use any video as ringtone in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.